Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to create an account on Upwork if you didn't already know. And if you don't know what Upwork is, it is a platform where you can get jobs as a freelancer, or if you are a recruiter, you can even you can even provide jobs to the people from all around the globe who uses the website or the app called Upwork. So to log in into that or to sign up into that, you just go to Upwork on your PC, press enter, or this upwork.com is the official website from the Upwork page itself, or for Inc, the company, or you can directly go to account login to sign up or log in into your account. So I'm going to the website as of now, and to log in or sign up you click on here. For the sign up and for login you click here. So to sign up or create an account on Upwork, you click on the screen button where it's written sign up. You click on there, and if you are a freelancer you click on I am a freelancer looking for work, and if you are a client hiring someone for a project you click on here. So I am a freelancer, so I am going to apply as a freelancer here. And if you want to continue with Apple account or Google account, you click on either of these, or you can even sign up from your email by entering your name, your email, the appropriate email, this is just a random one, your password, and the country of residence. So this anywhere all over the world. So you see here I clicked on Nepal. And if you want them to send emails on how to find talents that fit your needs, you click on right, I don't want this. So you click on this yes I understand and agree, and you click on create an account. So after you click on create my account, they'll create an account and send your mail on the email that you have just provided here, or the Gmail or the Apple ID that you have provided here. So that will be the confirmation email, and after you click there you will be set to join in as a freelancer because you clicked on freelancer, and you'll be set to log in into Upwork. So this is how you create an account on Upwork, and I believe I've taught you guys how to create an account on Upwork. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.